Today is going to be a different kind of video. We're going to go over some of the options, or rather all of the options in OBS 30.1.2 and presumably above as well, to see what options are the same, if any have changed, what new options are available. You can see the version of OBS I have right here. 30.1.2 is what I have as of making this video. If you want an update to it, just go to help here, click on check for updates, and you'll be able to see I have the latest version. I only have this disabled so you guys don't see an endless window view because I'm using it on my main monitor because I'm recording right now. But anyway, I digress. Let's get into it. First, let's hit the plus, add source. I'm going to assume you guys already have a source, but if you don't, just hit the plus, hit OK after you name it whatever you want. Then bada bing, bada boom. Then go over here to sources, add source. We have audio application capture, beta, audio capture, input, audio output capture. Now these both might be a little bit different on Mac. I'm on Windows at the moment, but I do know there's some little different settings on Mac. Then we have browser source, which is what I use a surprising amount of time. I use a browser source. And then we have color source. We have display. Actually, color source might not be a normal thing. Color source, glow, shadow, and stroke. I have a plugin that gives me those, so definitely, do not look too much into that. If you want me to go over a video of the exact plugin I use, definitely let me know, comment section below. But after browser source, you guys would have display capture, game capture, image slideshow, media source, scene, maybe text, the text GDI plus. I think that is something that comes with OBS normally. Video capture and window capture. You may or may not have this. I'm not entirely sure. So yeah, that's all the settings there. But wait, there's more. Yes, there's more. We want to go to settings. We can either go up to file and hit settings, or just come over here and hit settings. Now, I won't have option to everything. Some might be grayed out because I'm recording right now. But let's just go over some of the basics. Don't see anything new there. Nothing new here. I don't know what I was expecting there. Okay. We have that there. And recording, I really can't check, but I think it said something about making the encoder a bit better, which is always a plus, making the encoder better. Before any of you judge me at the 6,000 bitrate for streaming, that's all Twitch allows, okay? So don't take it up with me, take it up with Twitch. So yeah, those are the big changes I can see, which aren't really many at all. I believe they said they were mostly fixing some bugs and stuff. And bug fixes, I can get behind any day of the week. But yeah, if you guys have any thoughts, comments, opinions, let me know. If you guys want me to go over something specific, feel free to let me know that as well. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.